she's coming. Don't worry. Campus. A lovely wife. She is precious. Cute. Thank you, mashallah. Hi, Madam Kapali. She's beautiful. Thank you, guys. She's here. Finally, we are engaging. Today is our engagement ring. She's beautiful. Yeah. Kapali, you have good. Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, African Queen Kapali. Those words here is my day. Even if you don't like me, don't say your bullshit here. She's my wife to be. Can it happen?
Yes, it happens.
Bring her to Uganda. Yeah, how old is she? Doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter. Kapale, I'm here. She is beautiful. Wow, precious. Kapale, give one lady now, please. I'm happy for you, Plaza. Plaza, Nyombi Chelsea. Nyombi Chelsea is my Plaza, by the way. Yeah, big up man. Kapale Otuse Mgana, she is beautiful. Waki, Wazi, Mkaziwa. This is the one who is very, that message I can give. Please accept me. Kawaka Queen, Kale Papa. She deserves you, Plaza. Marry her, Bambi. Today, Kirabise. Yeah, thank you guys. China Amaso, she has nice eyes. Yeah, that's how to say, Kapale Net. Kale Papa, yes, looking nice. She is cute. Thank you guys. Blue eyes. You have blue eyes? I didn't recognize that. Yeah. You have blue eyes, yeah. I think you miss Mbaga Ogenda Jiro Kolerawa. The wedding is coming soon, is on penny. Success, beautiful lady, we love you, we love her. I need a sister. You have a sister to give?
No, but I have friends that they're married. All my friends are married.
You won yourself. You guys tap on the screen, share the video. So I'm going to give my link today. I'm going to propose today. It's my proposing day. Yeah, I'm proposing her. That is our working team behind there, you see. So kati wana akafokali kumazzi nga bw'okalaba